the good old gym that I go to, help him out
Yeah.
there as the treasurer of the club. So make sure the books are all looking good and coaches are
Nice.
getting paid, and
Yeah.
feels good, right? It's a little bit of community service, it's just a not for profit,
Yeah.
and get that going. Apart from that,
Nice.
bit of reading, bit of watching TV, mate. Nothing too crazy.
Yeah.
I also like to get out to conferences and out to meetups. I probably haven't been as good as I'd like to be in the last maybe 10 months or so. But like I got into Sec Talks last week on Thursday. And they had a lightning round, which was really cool. Like it was just a 5-10 minute presentations. So I threw my hand up and went and did a presentation about a particular file type that I'd come across and had worked on a little bit, like when I was at Splunk, and helped develop one of the boss of the SOC scenarios for 2024, and had backdoored this particular file type